Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to reactivate your PrizePicks account. So if your account is inactive, locked, or you're unable to access it, just follow along. First, open the PrizePicks app or go to the official PrizePicks website. Next, tap on login and enter the email address and password connected to your account. And if your account is only inactive, logging back in may automatically reactivate it. And if you forgot your password, tap on the forget password option and follow the steps to reset it. After that, check your email for a password reset link or any account recovery instruction from PrizePicks. If your account requires verification, complete any requested steps such as confirming your identity or updating your account information. You can also try closing the app completely, restarting your device and signing in again. If your account was suspended, restricted, or disabled, you may not be able to reactivate it yourself. In that case, you need to contact PrizePicks support and provide your account details and the issue you are experiencing. So that was how to reactivate your PrizePicks account. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.